Welcome to Auto and Truck Mirrors Unlimited. You are currently viewing the mirror glass that fits the vehicle you selected based on the year, make, and model. The item is strictly the mirror glass only and does not include the plastic backing plate that the mirror adheres to, or the entire housing that is attached to the vehicle. Please verify the mirror shape and measurements in our ad match with your existing mirror glass to ensure you are ordering the correct part. Be advised that many vehicles have more than one mirror option, so it is critical for you to verify the shape, measurements, and exact size. Please be sure to identify any special feature your current mirror has, such as heat, auto-dimming, turn signal, or blind spot indicator, and confirm the mirror you're ordering has those features as well. Depending on which ad you purchase from, our mirror glass kits may come with either circular adhesive pads, clear silicone glue, a full-size adhesive pad in the shape of the mirror glass, or no adhesive. Our mirror glass replacements are high quality and come with instructions for an easy and quick installation, resulting in a cost-effective DIY solution.